Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Janessa Estordio. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. I am high school graduate. I live in Tabalong, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I have 9 siblings, 2 brothers and 6 sisters. My work experience in Saudi Arabia, 2 years and 5 months since 2022 to 2024. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, gardening. Most especially, I'm taking care of 3 babies. To my future employer, this is my first time work Hong Kong. I'm hardworking, dedicated. I'm willing to learn to Thanksgiving. If you hire me, I will do my best to do my duty and responsibility. I promise to finish my contract into work in your family as long as you need me. I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and good day.